This transition pack is available on my store, the link is provided in the description. This transition pack consists of 19 different types of transition, with more than 100 plus transition, which include blind transition, blink transition, blur, brush and many more. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can use this transition pack. First you need to import your media files. Here I will import these 4 videos. Perfect. Let's create a new composition. Here I will name it as slide. Set width and height to 1920 by 1080 pixels. Depending on your project, you can set the time duration of this composition. Here I will add my media files to timeline. You need to place them one after the other, as shown. This is the place where our transition is going to happen. Let's add the transition. Here I will add the blink transition. Here you can select any transition of your choice, add it to the composition. You need to place it between 2 media clips. Now select on this icon, for collapse transformation. Let's see the preview. Perfect. Let's try another transition. You can add or remove any transition of your choice. Now let's add some different transition. First, I will add the 3rd media clip. Here we will add the brush transition. Add the transition to timeline. Select collapse transformation. Here you can see only above media file is visible with the transition. Select brush transition, and media file, we need to pre-compose it. If you want, you can set the name for this composition. Hit OK. Now you can see below media file is visible. This applies only to few transitions, like brush transition, ink transition, and light leak transition. Similarly, you can add more media files and add transition and create your slideshow, presentation, etc. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this transition pack, then make sure to like and share this video. and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.